Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. We're having a great day. Today we're inside the Speed Phenom Film Studio, and we've been doing a lot of modifications or customizations to Super Snakes lately. So we have been getting a lot of these cars, and it's so exciting because you guys know I love Mustangs, I love Shelbys, and the vehicle has been actually, those vehicles have been making a lot of appearances lately here at Speed Phenom Film. So today, I want to show you what a really popular, just first thing people do when they get a Super Snake is. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes inside the shop as we not just, get in just one Super Snake, but another, both red, and they're off the new body style, the new generation with the most horsepower ever and the most modifications ever. If you guys don't know, many years ago, I used to have a Shelby Super Snake. I had a black one, and it was really fun. It was a really fun car. It had a manual transmission with the classic cue ball shifter that was white like a golf ball. So cool. It's all polished white paint and the classic black stripes for first, second, third. Oh my gosh, I miss those days. They feel so far away now all of a sudden, right? That's how we got our first start with these cars online, and that vehicle had 1,000 horsepower. We had a 1,000 horsepower car how many years ago? This is so long ago, and then now we have these ZR1s coming out with 1,000 horsepower. It's oh my gosh, I had a car with that much horsepower. That was a rear-wheel drive manual car over 5 years ago. Are you kidding me? The thing was just insane. It had a Kenny Bell Whipple supercharger on it. Hold on, let me just see if I can pull up real quickly online. Let's type down Speed Phenom Super Snake. There it is. There's my Super Snake. That one's not mine, that's someone else's video. There's mine. It wasn't wide body either. Why did I say wide body? Anyways, guys, and this is the new body style Super Snake that we had in. Yeah, with the magnesium wheels. Wow. Here's another shot of one we had in. There's a lot of shots that we have. Wow, this car was so cool. And this is back when I sold it, by the way. Is this webpage still live? I think this website is closed now. But anyways, we have had many, many great adventures with Super Snakes throughout all the years. And I miss these days, man. These were just such fun days with my car. Oh, there we are again. Let me show you what we've been working on here inside the shop with Super Snakes. You can see and get a good idea of what it's like with that new 800 horsepower Shelby. I'll take you behind the scenes on a PPF installation for the vehicle. And if you guys have one, well, we'd love to take care of you here at Speed Phenom Film. Give us a call at 760-496-8607. We specialize in these types of cars, and we did a really cool one-piece installation originally with the Super Snake hood. We have enlarged PPF rolls, and the hood is massive. So it's a really difficult car to do, but we've really mastered the process. So if you guys have a Super Snake or one of these newer Shelby vehicles or something else, give us a call. We'd love to protect it or do any other services for you. And real quickly, before we get to the video today, I do want to say make sure to go to speedphenom.com because the giveaway is ending. You could win a Ford Mustang GT dance on July 31st. So the clock is ticking right now. Make sure to go online and get entered before it's too late. You get 300 times entries right now for this promotion. So if you see something you like, grab your favorite gear and you get automatic entries into the giveaway. Plus we have our mystery multiplier live right now, which means that you can get way more than that. You can get 300 times, 500 times, 1,000 times or more entries per dollar spent on speedphenom.com. So make sure to click on the top of the screen right now or in the description down below. Anyways, to the main content of today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're gonna show you how to install paint protection film on a Shelby Super Snake. This is a brand new Shelby Super Snake. When you look at this car, it is insane. We did a quick walk around of this vehicle inside the shop with the owner, Jeff. He's a great guy. Make sure to check out that video for a full tour of this incredible Super Snake. In today's video, again, we're just gonna be focusing on the process and things that you wanna try to do to ensure for a seamless and very professional installation so that owners like Jeff here can enjoy their car for the street and also the track. Here's a quick shot of the front fender we are going to be working on first. The paint looks absolutely incredible underneath these lights, and then we just finish using alcohol to clean off the surface finally to remove any contaminants, because any contaminants left over from the environment could lead to the film lifting up. So we've got that beautifully cleaned right now, and then we're going to be using film and wrapping over the edges of the fender to really give it that invisible look. To our left right here, we have many of the pieces already actually cut out, plotted out, and we use a state-of-the-art printer here at Speed Phenom Film. The reason why is because when you cut everything yourself, you risk putting blade on the paint, or blades on the paint. And you do not want to do that for a collector's piece like this Super Snake. We highly recommend 70% isopropyl alcohol to really clean off the surface right before installation. Get on for now, and then we're going to work on getting our pivot points. There's so many elements to making sure you do this right, even walking this film over. And the idea too is when you're squeegeeing, try to go over the same spots and hover with the next swipe halfway where you left off, because that way you're able to get so many of these initial bubbles out. If you do it right, you get it done once. So now we're on the left side of the hood. We want to make sure we really nail this placement. So for this next section right here, it's really important that we get this lined up as good as we can. It's difficult at first because obviously you need to get each side tacked down. So we've lined everything up so well that it's right at the crease, and you don't want to go over the crease, because if you do, the problem that happens is that the film, it won't fold over and stay and rest. Then that would cause lifting over time. This is a really interesting part. You want to be able to fully fold underneath these sides. So the idea is you want to start stretching. We have that side fully locked down. We have plenty of adjustability. That's why we love STEK film. That's what we use here in the shop, because the stretching is so easily done. I'm going to roll it back over, go right to the very edge so it's beautifully lined up. We have a flawless installation. See how it's not moving anymore? That's the beauty of tack. Now that we have both corners completely tacked down, we can then use the center to pull it right underneath and perfectly lined up. Okay, here we go. So now we're installing some of the components for the front end of the Shelby Super Snake. This is a very complex front bumper because it's just so angular. Once you get those reference points fully figured out, the rest of these patterns just really go on super well. So we're back inside the studio, and it's really cool because we not only did the PPF installation on that vehicle, we also installed windshield protection film. And if you're not sure what windshield protection film is, it's really cool. It's like paint protection film, but it's for the front windshield of your car. And the film in itself is inherently very different. It's a different type of film. Inherently, the material is completely different. So when you go to even cut it, for example, or install it, it installs completely different. It's actually, I think, more malleable to install. And when we install those, we also put on ceramic coating on top of the windshield. And that helps you get a cleaner, longer lasting windshield over time. I highly recommend it. If you guys need that service, give us a call, and we'd love to take care of you for that installation. So we installed that, and here's some shots actually of us doing that installation on a brand new Rolls-Royce Spectre. This car is insane. It's quite a lot of money. You know, it's as much as a McLaren or more, and it's just so cool. I'm a really big fan of the Spectre. The point I'm trying to get at in today's video is that it's really common, I think, for the first mods people have on these cars is to put on paint protection film or other protection, and I'll be doing the same thing with my Mustang GTD. So if you guys do need any of these services, or you even want to buy pre-cut kits, we even sell pre-cut kits online on speedphenom.com. So make sure to go on our website. You'll find different vehicles. Just put in the information on your car, and then from there you can easily just pick up the film that you need. Let me know, what do you guys think of the new Super Snake? I'm very excited because we'll be doing a review on that vehicle shortly, so stay tuned for that. We're going to get it onto the road and really find out what it's like to drive. It sounds incredible, it looks incredible, it looks wild. It's got magnesium wheels. Isn't that crazy how they got magnesium wheels on that Mustang? I think Shelby, in fact, we compare this to my old Shelby, they've really improved so much over the years. So I'm really excited to see what is coming from them in the future too. They have a new GT350 coming out. Is it going to be good? We're just going to have to see. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. Again, give us a call for a quote today for any of your service needs, such as paint protection film, window tinting, ceramic coating, and more. Lastly, don't forget to get entered into the giveaway. I'll see you in the next episode.